In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in CorelDRAW. Now, the first way you can do this is simply by going to the left here and then clicking on this A button over here. And the second one is just by actually pressing the F8 key on your keyboard, and that's going to activate your text tool, okay? Now, from here, you can actually draw the rectangle where you want to add your text like that, or you could just click, that's also going to work. Now, whenever you do that, of course, you have yourself your text box. You can start typing in whatever you want. So I'm just going to type in hello, but by default it's going to be very small, so I recommend you actually highlight over this or just press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select everything, and then up here you can basically change your size just like this. Of course, you could do a custom size as well, like that, for example, and this actually went out of the boundaries of my text box. That's why it's not showing, so I have to make it a bit bigger, just like that. There we go. And then of course you can change your fonts. You can make it bold, you can make it italic if you want to. You could go ahead and change its alignment, stuff like that. So anything is possible up here, rotation and stuff like that. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.